materials required for making the embroidery, the design sheet, whatever the pattern you need to copy in the cloth, tracing paper to trace the pattern, carbon paper, carbon sheet, yellow carbon and white carbon. If it is a lighter cloth, we use yellow carbon. If it is a darker cloth, we use a white carbon. Pencil and pen to copy the designs. Required color, skeins, embroidery skeins, scissors, crewel needles, sewing needles. We use crewel needles. There are many variety of embroidery needles. For normal embroidery, we use crewel needles number 7. If it is a cotton cloth, we use number 7. If it is synthetic cloth, we use number 8, and we use number size 10 for chiffon or very fine silk cloth. Pins to keep the tracing sheet and the cloth intact. We need embroidery ring to do the embroidery. I will show you how to take the thread from the skein. This is the embroidery skein we are going to use. You will find the name of the two tags on top of the name. You will find, see, just turn behind, you will find two edges. You can see the longer edge and you can see the shorter one. You can see the longer edge and the shorter edge. You have to always pull only the longer edge to remove the thread. If you pull the shorter edge, the whole skein, the thread will get tangled. So, if you want to take it out smoothly, you pull the longer edge. Hold the bottom edge of the thread and pull the thread. It comes out smoothly and it comes to a stop. Once it comes to a stop, again hold the thread the same place and pull it once more. Again it will come to a stop to this end. See, now I have pulled the thread twice. This will be the comfortable length for you to work the embroidery. Now you can leave a little and then cut the thread here. So, the next time when you start taking the thread, you can pull this thread and start using. Now, in this thread, see, this twice I have pulled out of the skein. This thread will be the comfortable length for you to work any embroidery. If the thread is too long, it will be very difficult, it will get tangled every time you do the embroidery. If it is too short, the embroidery will be very tight, the stitches will be very tight. So, it is always better to take a comfortable length, that is, you pull twice from the thread and use the thread. This length will be comfortable for you to work the embroidery, and in this skein you have 6 strands of thread. In this skein you have 6 strands of thread. You can use 3 strands or 2 strands or 4 strands depending upon what type of embroidery, what type of stitch you are going to use. Now, let us take 2 strands from this. See, do not take from the beginning. You come to the center of the thread, just take out 2 strands. Take out 2 strands, put one finger and then pull it from the center towards the end. It comes out very easily without getting tangled. Now, the other half, put one finger and just It comes out very easily without getting tangled.